everyone, welcome back to our channel. I had a wonderful surprise today. Today is the day that I filmed the giveaway video, but before I do that, I actually had a very lovely, pleasant surprise. So before I get into my big surprise reveal, and I'm also going to say I had to do this video twice too, because I forgot to turn on the camera. Don't laugh. It's not funny. Well, it's kind of funny. It's kind of Diane. I mean, you know, I was right at the end and I go to my husband. I'm like, when I went to turn it off, it turned on. What did I do? And he comes in, he goes, you didn't record. That is not good. So there's going to be some evidence of the fact that I've done this before. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And I came up with something really cool last time I taped this. Hyper is all crap still. Been drinking a lot of this. Excited about the giveaway because I really do like giving away stuff. Excited about my surprise. So I think I should tape, like, you know, record on my tablet thing, not on my 8-track or any of that, because I don't got that no more. Like any of you even know what an 8-track is. Anyway, I should tape like church bells ringing, ding, dong, 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 and I'll totally have you guys like totes loving me at that point. It'll be like going to church every time you come see my videos. Yeah? Nah. It'd be hilarious though. Me coming in, ding, 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 Westminster Abbey, ding, ding. Hilarious. But anyway, I'm getting a little off track. Let's get back on track. So Canada has a, you know, we have our monthly subscription box, which is called Topbox. And if you've been to my channel for a while, you know that I do Topbox monthly. And if not, well, there's a Canadian monthly subscription called Topbox. Well, there's a quarterly version of Topbox as well, and it's called Luxebox. And just like FabFitFun, it comes spring, summer, winter, fall, whatever way that goes. I think I said it in the wrong way, but whatever. And it's called Luxebox, and this is available for Canadians and Americans. It's $26.99, I believe, for Canadians, and probably around $23 for Americans. But I don't know if there's delivery. There's no delivery for Canadians, though. And basically, it's more luxurious items compared to the Topbox. And you get 5 to 7 full-size items, I believe. And like I said, they're a little more luxurious, a little more high-end, high quality, which is kind of exciting. So I was watching a YouTuber called Sincerely LGS. Shout out. Woo! She's doing all these shout outs for all these people, and I thought it was really sweet. But I really was watching her show, and when she was doing her Topbox, she mentioned Luxebox. And I'm like, I didn't even know there was such a thing. So a few weeks ago, I went and I applied, and it said that you're on like a waiting list. So about a week ago, I got a thing, came out of my bank account, which I assumed was for the summer. It said next, whatever, summer 2019. And I thought, okay, I'm getting the next one in the summer. Because I figured I was way too late for the fall, for the spring one. But I got the spring one. I'm so happy. I'm happy, happy, happy. Why? I have no idea. I just am. I like getting stuff. I love unwrapping stuff. It's like getting presents monthly. Dude, it's like my birthday every month because I get so many things to unwrap. It's like, damn, this is awesome. And then I get to give away too. It's like Christmas, because part of the thing I love most about Christmas is giving stuff. So I give stuff and I get stuff. It's like the best of both worlds. It's wonderful. So here's the Luxebox. Reminds me a lot of Look Fantastic, only a little smaller. Like remember I said I have done this video. Well, I haven't done the video because I didn't have it on record. So the stuff is going to be opened, some of it, and you know what I'm saying. So, wow, look! I got a card on top and a whole bunch of spoolies. Ooh, yeah, and I think I mentioned the fact that my cat will be into these, and I'll be finding them everywhere, like dust balls underneath my couch for 6 months to come. Okay, I said that. Yeah. Okay, now I think we're caught up. So this is introducing the Chapstick Total Hydration Collection. And it's an advertisement because in this box of, gonna take those crunchies. I actually do like these things though. They're kind of fun, you know? Ba-ding, ba-ding, like ding, 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 ding. They're fun. I don't know. I'm childish. I know. It's okay though. Because you get a sample inside that has nothing to do with the 7 items, like nothing. It is a free, you know, so you can try it to see if you like it kind of thing. So what this is a total hydration, and as you can see, I opened it. Total hydration conditioning lip scrub. Now I used it, I put it on, and there was like a scrub to it. I don't really need to put it on again. There was like a scrub to it, and I put it on, and my lips felt really, really, really moisturized, but the scrub part disappeared. And at first I thought that meant that you leave it on as a chapsticky thing, and it's peppermint and it tastes delicious. But it turns out that you actually wipe it off, and my lips do feel quite nice now. I'm not going to lie. Yeah, they feel pretty good, so it works. And I like it. And it's a free sample. So, I mean, for a free sample, look at that, right? So it's like a scrub and a moisturizer all in one, which is kind of nice, actually. So the one thing I don't like about Topbox, and Luxebox does the same thing, they don't give you a pamphlet, a booklet for descriptions or prices or anything. So, but you're going to be able to tell right away that it's way, for Americans, it's way cheaper than $23, or cheaper, worth way more than that, and it's worth way more than $26 as well. Because the first thing I'm going to pull out is Bite Beauty. And we all know Bite Beauty is very, very bougie. Well, not really bougie, but it's pretty good. And it's Canadian, so bonus. Actually, I didn't talk about this the last time, but I thought of it sort of in the meantime. A YouTuber called Sophia Nygaard, I think that's her name. She's wonderful, actually. She's very unique and has really great ideas. She did a cake the other day of Bite Beauty, now that I think about it. She took the lipsticks because they're made with food-grade ingredients, so that means they're edible. They're not going to hurt you if you eat them. And she made like a cake, like a regular white cake, and then she put pieces of lipstick all throughout the cake, and then they ate it. Her and her fiance ate it. I'm like, wow, and they're like, this is delicious. It tastes like lemons. It's freaking hilarious. Now, this is agave, and it smells delicious. It actually smells like cake. Aw, you guys don't get to see me be stupid. Okay, here's how I opened it. Got my knife. I went like this. And okay, it's open now, right? And then I looked. Still wasn't greatly opened. And then I looked at the lid, and it had that little freaking prick thing. What an idiot. I'm actually so stupid. I didn't even have to tell you how stupid I am. But I did anyway, because I'm that stupid. So yeah, instead of just dinga-danga, I got a knife and I'm fooling around with it like insanely. This stuff is really, really moisturizing. I hope somebody can tell me what a lip mask is, because I could have looked it up before I made this video, but you know what? I figure I should be somewhat genuine. I didn't know the first time, so why should I know the second time? No idea what that means. Does that mean we put it on and go to bed? Is that kind of mask? Do we put it on and it protects our lips and makes them all nice when we're skiing? I have no idea. Skating in the sun? No clue. So on to the next thing. Very cool. The next thing looks more like a sample. I thought it was full-size products, but irregardless, there's still lots. This is Lancome Monsieur Big Volume Mascara. Monsieur Big with the tiniest little mascara I've ever seen. That is not Monsieur Big, that is Monsieur Mini. Little baby. So there you go. I don't want to open it because and my thing is pinging. Of course it's pinging because I'm doing a video and I'm not doing this a third time. I'm not stopping. I'm just going with the flow. So this Monsieur Big, it's my lanky little thing. So I have 5. I can count 5. 5 mascaras opened, so I will not open it. Besides, this is like the perfect size to put in my I Pick You Because I Love You giveaway. The last time, well, I can't say her name. She's from the Ukraine. Alexandri. Oh, I can't say her name. Anyway, she's my first choice. My second choice is already picked, and I will be telling her probably around mid-April. So the next thing is Brune or Brune. Maybe you guys know. Nail polish, which I've not ever gotten nail polish before. First time ever. It's the color 07. Look, it works really good. Oh, I'm so funny. So as you know, I've tried everything except for the mascara. So that means I'm keeping everything. Yay for Diane. Woo! Great color. I really like it. And like I said, it says 07 on the bottom too. It went on one coat. Perfect. There is, you know, I didn't put it on great, but yeah, it's definitely goes on nicely. I really like the color. You know how I kind of like bright lips, but I tend to always want to do my eyes in a really neutral way. When it comes to nail polish, I'm the exact opposite. I like it as crazy and weird and bright yellow and whatever. But I don't tend to do my nails until summer, and then I do feet and hands. Maybe we should do a video of that, me going to the salon to get my crap done. Not my crap done. I'm not getting no enema or anything. The nails and toe. Mani-pedi. Not an enema. That would never go on camera. No. That is not pleasant. Yep, I've had one. Had one when I had a baby. Not fun. Nope. There you go. Estate. Let's move on past that cringeworthy stuff going on. This is lip icing. And just like the last time, I have no freaking clue what lip icing is. This is cruelty-free, though, which is good. Paraben-free, all kinds of free. No idea what a lip icing is. Oh, I told a story last time, too. The first thing I thought of when I thought of lip icing was Frost Yourself from How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days. Frost Yourself. Oh, my gosh, that old lady is hilarious. She makes me laugh every freaking time. So you see, just like I explained last time, which I didn't film, but I explained that I actually like comedy. I don't like stand-up comedy. And so when I did my video of my whatever, I can't remember the name of it because my brain is like blah, 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 mush. I said I didn't like comedy. And really, I mean, I like Ellen. I like How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days. Some of my most favorite movies. The Princess Bride is my favorite movie of all time. And it is a comedy. It is stupid. I love Monty Python movies. I can't think of any modern day funny movies, but I do tend to like those now and again. I don't like, don't get mad. I don't like Adam Sandler, though. That is terrible. He's one of the reasons I hate comedy. So, although the Drew Barrymore one, where she can't remember anything, 50 First Dates, that's kind of cute, actually, because I like Drew Barrymore. But beyond that, no. So this is Estate, as I totally digress into How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days. You're so vain. I bet you think this song is about you. Ben Barry, you're so vain. This doesn't have any color. Ooh, little Carly. Okay. There was nothing last time. It's a lip icing. Smells delicious. Smells like cake. Guess I'm keeping this one too, right? Actually, I'm happy to keep. I'm keeping almost everything in this box, which is really surprising for me because normally I say, oh, I'll give this away. But it seems like everything in here is stuff that I was actually going to buy or stuff that seems interesting enough to try. The next thing is Delilah Organics Natural Skin Therapy Nail and Cuticle Oil. Hydrating Fusion. There it is. And this is really weird because it's a rolly ball. It's a rolly ball. And I was actually going to be buying this. It's on my list when I go grocery shopping. Because I'm really getting really bad hangnails. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that. They're horrible. My fingers are just, ugh. You know, it's that time of year. So this is fabulous. I really needed it, actually. And it feels great. It goes on really good. So this is the thing I'm most happy for. Ole Hendrickson Banana Bright Eye Cream. And this is vitamin C and collagen boosted. And I know this is not cheap, actually. I have no idea what it looks like on the inside. I've never seen it before in my life. Here's that. Did I tell you that Topbox, the one thing that they don't do that I really, really wish they would, is give us a pamphlet like you get with all the other ones. You know, like they give you a pamphlet with the descriptors, the you know, descriptions of everything, the prices. Some of them don't do the prices, but they all should do that. They should have descriptions and prices and everything so that it's much easier, because I have no clue how much this is. But I know it's a lot, because eye cream always is. This is old age lady stuff. Smells good. There you go. Some banana eye cream. I'm not going to put it on right now. Screw it. Why not? I don't have makeup. Oh! No! I finger dug. Oh, geez, my goodness. Let's just rub that in. That's not how you put on old age lady cream, but we're going to do that way anyway. That's how you're supposed to do it. Actually, that goes on pretty good. I don't know. I don't use this stuff. I know I need to start, but I get kind of old. I actually looked up how to do it about a month ago, and then I just never went and got the stuff to do it with. But yeah, I think you're supposed to tap it. That went in really good, though. Did you guys see that? It just went in. Didn't leave, like, wet residue or anything, which is kind of nice. Or maybe I'm just that dry. The next thing is Masquerade. I didn't get that the first time. Actually, I didn't get this far that last time. Sorry. This is when I realized that it was not filming. When I got to this point. Masquerade. That is super cute. All skin types, one sheet mask. Detoxtiva exfoliates and detoxifies. Green tea, lemon, and cactus. Never heard of cactus on a sheet mask, but I don't really like sheet masks. Actually, I like clay masks. I don't even like peel masks. I like clay masks. So they're basically the only ones. Any kind of put on and wash off. Clay, the sea stuff. I don't know. Whatever's. All that crap. Yeah. There's that. It's got a little cactus on the back. Super cute. And then there's another one. And this one is I Don't Want to Grow Up. That one's for me. All skin types, firm and softens lines, definitely for me. Chamomile, collagen, and argan oil. There you go. Actually, this one kind of does look like a good idea for me, but you know, I got my thing. I like my own kinds, you know, stuck in my old lady ways. There's that. So, maybe I was a little lackluster, and I'm super duper sorry for that, and I've got Frost Yourself stuck in my brain. That's okay. It's going to be there for all day. I actually have to make my giveaway video now. I'm going to give away my Jeffree Star thing, and I'm going to show you what I'm giving away for next month. And that's not even including my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell. Don't forget to do that. Please, please, please. I love you, I love you, I love you. I'm not just saying that to get you to like, hit, and subscribe, but, you know, wouldn't hurt. Kidding. So, until next time, bye.